for inviting me here. So let us start on this first morning session on the plant. So before directly going into the topic, you all are from I think B.Pharm and M.Pharm students. Some of maybe staff is also there. So my session will be introductory session wherein you will come to know about the brief details of the pack. Because in pharma industry there are revamps right now. This industry is very vibrant. Pharma industry is very vibrant, and it is having that transformations every day. And this is linked with the technology also. Okay, so that's why the first important thing as far as the pharmacists are concerned in the field, you must have an update. You must know the forthcoming era of our own industry. What will be the next phase of our industry, and the PAD will be the future of our industry. Okay, so before you leave these premises, you pass out as a B.Pharm or M.Pharm students or the PhD students, you must know what challenges you are going to face in the industry, because this is a transformation. Every day there is a transformation in the pharma industry. Now question is, how do I keep myself updated? So conferences like this platforms will help you to understand. So you must attend the conferences, you must attend the workshops, and your own readings. Okay, you have to read. Apart from your syllabus, you should read something. Your teachers will guide you properly. Just take the help from your teachers. Okay, they are your mentors here for 4 years, 2 years. Just take the help and you will find the amazing world in your life. But for that you have to keep yourself updated. Okay. So let us start with this process analytical technologies in pharmaceutical industry. PAT. The best part of this PAT is actually this is the future of our pharma industry. This is the future of our pharma industry. When we talk about PAT, we always think that there is an instrumentation. I am going to use that instrumentation in some processes, and this is PAT. No. After a few slides, you will come to know PAT is not that. Instrumentation is only 25%. Rest 75% is different story. So that's why today's session is there for PAT. Because when I spoke to Shelke sir, so I said, may I talk on that PAT? So he said, sir, final comment. That is a good topic. So I was very happy because something new should be delivered to the students. This HPLC, NCMS, LMR, that is the old story that everybody knows. But what are the new applications, how we can use that, that is more important. Okay. So, first important part, what is the scope? So for today's presentation, I will be covering more about overview of the PAT. So what is PAT, how we understand the concept of the PAT, then the most important role of the PAT in the pharmaceutical industry. How it is going to help us, how it is going to benefit us, that is the role. Then principles, tools and benefits. You may be more interested in tools, but don't focus yourself only in tools. Tools is the only one part, it's a complete technology, total technology. Focus on that. So today's session, after completing this session, you will have a clear-cut idea what is PAT, what is framework, and how we understand it for the implications. Then instrumentation, but obvious the presentation last few slides are based on instrumentation. What kind of instrumentations are effectively used in the PAT? So that will be covered. So overall presentation will give you the idea about what is PAT, and in near future, what would be your role in executing that PAT in the pharma industry? Because see, everybody of us, we are professional students, we are trying to give our inputs in the pharma industry. Unless and until you know what roles you are going to perform, it is not possible for anybody to survive in the pharma industry. Your basic scholarly chemistry, commodity knowledge, it must be there. But latest technologies you must adopt. Okay. So this is the scope of the today's presentation. Now the first part. Sir, last few minutes you are talking about the PAT, process analytical technologies. Process analytical technologies. So what is the scientific way of defining it? Because we are pharmacy students and we are more fond of
definitions. It gives you the good marks, correct? You write it in paper, you get good marks. That should be there, but you understand it first. So that is what. See, it's a system for these three words are very important: designing, analyzing, and controlling. It is a complete system. It is a complete system which helps us to design, analyze, and control manufacturing through timely measurement, real-time management, okay, real-time measurements of what we are going to measure it in real-time sense. Critical quality and performance attributes. Critical, that means the factors which are impacting the process rigorously, and then performance attributes of what, raw material as well as in-process materials. And why to focus on that? So that you can get the final product quality, whatever you intend. So the complete setup of the PAT, it is something like a system for designing, analyzing, controlling, manufacturing through timely measurement during processing of critical quality and performance attributes of raw and in-process materials and processes with the goal of ensuring final quality products. Why I am repeatedly saying this? First of all, just keep this thing in mind, definition, and step by step we will understand it. Now, before going for the PAT understanding, you must know